Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to teach you a real simple thing here, how to add a percentage to a number. I know it's simple, but hey, math people out there, you probably don't need this video. People who hate math, this is a nice thing. I'm going to show you how to do it in Excel. Before I get started, don't forget to check out smarthelping.com where I have very user-friendly financial model templates for forecasting financial statements, revenues, expenses, cash flow, tracking all kinds of different things for a bunch of different sectors, SaaS, real estate underwriting tools, industry-specific models, joint venture distribution waterfalls, accounting and finance tools, all sorts of stuff in here to track your um, track data, create forecasts in a very easy way with just simple inputs. Okay, let's get back in it here. So how to add a percentage to a number. Let's say you have the number. Let's say, let me think of a good example. Let's say I painted 5 houses today and I want to paint 20% more houses tomorrow. Or let's say I painted, 5 houses um, this month, painted houses this month. I did 5, and now I want a 20% increase. So how do we do that in Excel? Well, it's very simple. First, we'll just format this light yellow blue text as a standard format for editable cells. So I want to say 20%. Target painted houses next month. 20% more. There's two ways to do it. You can either say equals and target cell D5. So you just hit the equal sign, target this, or write in D5 and you go hit the multiplication symbol, the little star, and you could do times 1 plus the rate is one way. That'll give you the same number. So in this case, and let's show some decimals here, just in case it's not an even number. In this case, it would be 20% more from 5 would be 6. The other way you can do it is equals D5 times 20% plus the original number D5. You get 6. Either way, I like when I do formulas and when I'm doing modeling, I like to do the 1 plus the rate times the original number. Now, if you wanted to do it 100%, what does that mean? You're doubling. 100% is double, 200% is triple. So watch, 100% increase from 5 would be 10. A 200% increase would be 20. Or sorry, 15 because it's 3x. It just that this is how it works. This is just a simple math. 8% increase would be 5.4. Um, 12% increase would be 5.6 here. So you can change this variable and this number just updates. So that's how to increase a number by a percentage in Excel. Pretty simple, but I know a lot of people might be looking this up and it can get confusing. So that's the rate. Now, if you also, I'll do a bonus here. If you wanted to see what something increased by, you do, let's say your original number was 50, and it could be a less than 2. New number, and sorry, these inputs are all going to be light blue. And let's say my new number is 350. What did 50 increase by? What percentage? Well, to do that, we simply say equals, and we wanted to know the difference between the two. So 350 minus 50 is the amount it increased by, which would be in this case 300. And then to figure out the percentage, we divide 300 by the original amount of 50. Here, a 600% increase. Let's say we wanted to do a 50% increase. That would be 75, just doing some quick math, or sorry, 50%, or 75 would be a 50% increase from 50. 100 would be a 100% increase. So you've grown, in this case, by 100%. Now, if you went down, let's say 45, then now this is going to be a 10% decrease. So negative 10%. So just some simple formulas here. Maybe you need to sanity check yourself and just understand it, but those are some percentages, how to increase a number by percentage and what the percentage change was from one number to the next. There you go. Very simple. And don't forget, check out more. Go to www.smarthelping.com. I've got over 100 complex and advanced financial models. They have complex logic, but very user friendly, and they can do a lot. Alrighty, see you guys on the next one.